tide from the Pearl River, wisdom to the Greater Bay Area. As the wave of global industrial transformation surges forward, Guangzhou AILE Automation Equipment Company Limited stands proudly at the forefront as an innovator. Since our establishment in 2018, we have empowered industrial upgrades with intelligent manufacturing and redefined industry standards with craftsmanship. We specialize in 4 major fields: cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, food and chemical industry, providing food process solutions for aerosol filling lines, perfume equipment, and cosmetic emulsification and filling systems, becoming a trusted automation solution expert for clients in over 40 countries worldwide. Driven by the innovative DNA of a national high-tech enterprise, we deeply integrate German precision craftsmanship with Eastern wisdom of intelligent manufacturing, enabling production lines worldwide to beat with the heart of Chinese wisdom. Innovation is the DNA of AILE. We boast a top-tier engineer team in the industry and invest 15% of our annual revenue in R&D. We have overcome core technologies such as high-viscosity material filling and sterile environment control, and built a technological barrier with 37 patents. From intelligent control systems to AI visual inspection, AILE equipment redefines the benchmarks of efficiency and quality in automated production, with millisecond precision and zero-error performance. We have made breakthroughs in the traditional propellant gas mist synergy technology, delivering ultra-high-speed production lines with 200 cans per minute to help daily chemical giants boost their production capacity by 40%. Our explosion-proof certified equipment integrates triple intelligent interlocking, building a digital safety fortress for the chemical industry. The triple international certifications of ISO 9001, CE and FDA are emblems of our quality, witnessing the confidence of Chinese standards in dialogue with the world. Precision manufacturing is a belief etched into our bones. Our precision CNC machining centers work closely with our laser cutting systems. We carry out rigorous extreme experiments with a comprehensive physicochemical testing system covering the entire spectrum in our smart lab. Every step of our process is validated for perfection under GMP standards. Every device we deliver is a testament to the precision of the Industry 4.0 era. Our service network spans the globe, radiating from our Guangzhou headquarters to 5 continents. Our 5G remote diagnostic platform enables our engineers to optimize equipment performance thousands of miles away in real time, with our green processes reducing energy consumption by 30%, and our AI brain connecting sterile workshops. AILE is leading a new round of industrial revolution. We wield innovation as our torch and precision as our blade, collaborating with global partners to explore new frontiers of intelligent manufacturing.